What's up, beautiful people? Today we do a little unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 8. So, first of all, this is the package it arrives in. It looks quite neat, as always. When you buy an Apple product, you have the white case, and it looks pretty neat. So let's see how you can open it up. Oh, this, have you seen that? Do it again. You just have to pull a little bit here, and ooh, it folds up magically. And then here you go. Wow. Okay. This looks really nice. So this is the outer package, the outer hull of the watch. And now we have two parts. We have the wristband and the Apple Watch itself. So first of all, we will have a look at the wristband. How can you open this little package? Oh yeah, here's a little whoop. And then you should be able to open it here. Okay. And then like a caveman. You have to pull this little lever here, and then it comes out of the box. Oh yeah, this looks quite nice. Yep. Oh, they put it into the... Ooh, do you hear the sound? That sounds, I would say, interesting. Well, it's a bit tricky. You have to open the... here it is. Very special. Don't just drop it into a box. Just give it some nice little... Oh yeah, this is stretchy. And yeah, let's... well, she wrote here's some instructions for the band, and the rest is cardboard. Yes, okay. So we will use some... Yeah, just for wristband, there's so much information and so much... Still so much packaging. I would have expected that there is less packaging for only the wristband, but here we go. Of course, we will keep the boxes, because if you want to sell those items, the boxes can come in quite handy. So the same goes here. This little... the sound is quite nice as well. You have to do it on both sides, as far as I can see. And then we'll flip it around, and then we can lift up the cover. Oh yeah. Designed by Apple in California. There seems to be some... Can you see that? That's great. So instructions. More instructions. It's quite neat. Okay, instructions. This is German. This is Français. No English. What's up? No English instructions? That's weird. They come just in French and German. Okay, well. Alright, this seems to be the wireless charging adapter. Yes. And it comes nowadays with a USB, can you see that? Oh yeah, we have to, this is always such fun. You have to pull it. Yeah, as you can see, I do this, seems to be doing this for the first time. Yeah, this is the wireless charging thingy, and it nowadays comes with a USB-C port, as you can see here. Alright, but I think you waited for the watch. The watch comes in a neat little, I don't know, I don't hope it's plastic anymore. As you can see, it's just put in there, and then we can perhaps you can see it better like this, and now you can see the watch. Ooh, yeah, this looks quite nice. So I'm going to try to install the wristband. And do I need the instructions? The instruction manual? I don't think so. So the wheel is supposed to be on the right up, so you should be able to insert the band here. Oh, yeah, it's just fits nicely in there. Okay, and then we do it the other way around. So this, please be gentle. I didn't own, I haven't had a watch, smartwatch or an Apple Watch, especially before this unboxing, and so I don't know. You aficionados would definitely know better what to do with such a watch. Is it right? Is it correctly? Oh, this is, ugh. I'm supposed to do it that way? Oh yeah. I think so. Check the manual again. Yeah, just as you can see, just slide in the wrap, but I think I did it the wrong way. As you can see here, it should be the other way around. Okay, let's fix that. Screwed up. Never mind. I hope it will come out as easily as it was pushed into the watch. No? Do you need tool for that when it's inserted? I don't hope so. No. Okay. Well, perhaps I need another video to show you how you can actually fix this here. And I've accidentally activated the watch. It's booting up, as you can see. Well, yeah, perhaps I have to check the manual. To remove the band, press button. There seems to be a button. To remove band, press button and slide out. Okay, we'll try this. And which button? Here are some buttons. Never did this before. Here is a button. You have to push this and then... yep. This works. Okay. Slide it out. And the other side as well. Okay, this way. And then, yeah, well, so this should be, as you can see, the wrist wrap here should be, I'm such a boomer. I'm sorry for that. So this part should actually be here as far as I can see. Does that make sense? Blah. need a bigger review table as well. Yeah, this should be here. Okay, should have read the instructions beforehand, but you know, I'm always keen on dealing directly with the product. So here you go. This looks better. And as you can see, the watch is doing some things, but the setup will not be part of this little unboxing. So just to make sure, we have a lot of stuff, and that's yeah, that's one of the issues. It's actually quite a lot of Gschmarri, as we would say in Franken, and a lot of potentially a lot of waste. I don't like that much. At least it seems to be just, is that plastic? It seems to be cardboard. It could be that you will be able to recycle it, but yeah, in general, I keep the boxes for future resale if I want to sell the watch. Yeah, well, so this was the unboxing. Oh, this looks messy. This is not MKBHD.